Stress, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will show you another newly launched best meme coin here. This meme coin has already more than $500 million market cap, but still there's no any centralized listing for this meme coin yet. But definitely this meme coin has potential to be the next listing for all major centralized exchanges. I will show you it's all further details that is this meme coin is legit or not. So video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Fast Muse Snap 0.006 $1 current price, it pumped by almost 10% here. Okay, and last 5 days 141% pump here. Entire crypto market was dumping, all meme coins and altcoins are dumping, but its price is pumped by 141%. Yes, this is good. Current market cap, you can see $557 million market cap. Trading volume is nearly $500,000. This is also good because there's no any centralized exchange listing for this meme coin. 90 billion coin supply, almost all in circulation, and other cat theme meme coin in Solana ecosystem just like Popcat and Mew. I can see friends cat theme meme coin in Solana ecosystem. We are right now 33% down the install time high than 21 days ago, and coin has already killed 3 zeros since its launching. More than 18,000% pump in last 6 months. So this is good that coin has already killed 3 zeros since its launching. So this is best performance from this meme coin. And friends, you can see only Radium has listed this coin. That is Solana Dex. Still there's no any centralized exchange listing for this meme coin yet, so this is not good. I don't know why centralized exchanges is still no list this coin, because already coin has killed 3 zeros, and already market cap is more than $550 million here. TrustXC welcomes to the Meow world. You can check out all further details here on their website, and you can connect the wallet also. You can read out story, and it's all further details are provided here. There how you can swap this, you can add liquidity, you can farm this coin. They have their own games also, and you can buy from Radium. They are suggest you all steps here, how you can buy this meme coin on Daxis. No doubt website was very good, but you have to also read out this notification from CoinCo. You can see according to Rugjack, the contract creator can make changes to the token contract such as disable sellings and change fees and mint new tokens also. So this is very important also, and I think that's the reason that's why still this meme coin is not on any tier 1 central exchange or any other central exchange, but maybe this notification is on CoinQ for many other meme coins also. So we have to maybe wait for few more days here. If this coin can be listed on major central exchanges, then we can buy this meme coin, because already you can see huge market cap. So we cannot say this is a super low cap meme coin, or we have to wait here for a stump, then we can make entry. No, it's already, you can see friends, $557 million market cap. And if this meme coin is looking really legit, but I think right now it's 50-50, because there's no any tier 1 or any other central exchange listing for this coin yet. And because of this notification, I think this coin is 50-50. I'm not saying this 100% rugged or 100% legit, but no doubt this very risky investment also. And investment may be highly risky because already $557 million market cap here. But no doubt these type of meme coins has potential also, because already huge market cap, trading volume is good, and overall tokens looking good. A Cathy meme coin in Solana ecosystem, so it's also possible that we can see its listing on centralized exchanges soon. And in this year mega bullion, definitely then this meme coin can perform awesome. We can see its market cap in $1 billion here. I think, as I already told you, that we can see this meme coin maybe around $5 to $10 billion market cap, and its centralized exchange listing soon if this token is really legit. But as I will show you that there is 50-50% chance due to this notification also, that may be rugged, or maybe we can see a massive jump in this coin soon. I think this is 50-50% chance, 50% rugged or 50% legit. What do you think? What's your prediction about this coin? You can must comment down below.